Hi JVs, Rob Corrigan here and welcome to Easy Illustrated eBooks, and in this short video I'm going to take you through the Members Centre and all of the products within the funnel. And here we are we're at the Members Hub, which is the Members Centre, and when a member first registers they're taken to the Members Hub, and here we've got a little walkthrough video which is somewhat similar to what I'm doing now. So there's a walkthrough video that explains all about the membership levels and how to access the content. Little graphic there about the actual product itself, the front end product, and here they can join our exclusive Facebook group, and the important thing is to whitelist their email address, and there's instructions on all of those there. If we take a look at Easy Illustrated eBooks, what I've done is I've actually broken it down into a number of different sections. So if we take a quick look at the first one here. So we take a look at the different modules in here. This is the Introduction to Kindle module, and all the training is done on video. And to go with each of the videos, there may or may not be a download, and in this case it happens to be a presentation, or it could be to download a number of templates, or it could be a website which I want to send them to as part of the video. And there's an explanation of the Kindle marketplace there. Let's just take another look here. Let's have a look at book creation, because that's the main meat of the actual product, and it goes through the different types of software that you're going to need, all of which are free, and how to produce your first book. And as you can see there, it goes all the way through from Introduction to Kindle to how to promote your books. That's the Easy Illustrated eBooks product. Now, if people buy the upsell, which is the Platinum, they get access to two products. One of them is the ebook domination, and that literally takes ebook creation and promotion onto an entirely different level. We just take a look at the very first one here, so the module. We can see here, again, it's following the same sort of pattern: introduction to programs, how to actually use them, and how to produce your books. And then it goes into conversions of different formats for use on different platforms, which is a way of actually multiplying the amount of money that you actually make. And as we can see there, they're all pretty much following the same sort of stamp there. So that's the introduction to ebook domination in the Platinum package. Let's just take a look at another module. And this is module 6, and you can see here we're producing a very highly illustrated ebook there, using a program called Comic Life, which is absolutely dead easy to actually do. And then we look at more ideas for using Comic Life, and then again book promotions just using simple video, and this is a complete walkthrough of how you actually do it. Also, as part of the Platinum package, we've got the eBay business model. Now that's rather different from the old-fashioned sell a book on eBay, because this is looking at different things entirely. This is looking at products with resale rights, the eBay marketplace, but also producing massive amounts of content such as ebook collections for use with the Amazon Kindle and other reading devices. And in here I show you how to put together your own theme collection. And then it goes through the entire business model all the way up to eBay shops. There's also a number of bonuses there, because obviously in Easy Illustrated eBooks they are graphic heavy, and I've got some training modules here. Let's just go to the GIMP one there, and these are all the skills that you need to do the very simple image processing that you need to do, which is just a bit about cropping and things like that. And as you can see there, it's pretty comprehensive, and I've done that for PicMonkey and PaintNet. Again, you can actually upgrade your package, and you will be cookied all the way through this. And if people decide to take the gold downsell, they get access to the ebook domination course, but without the eBay ebook empire. So Rob Corrigan signing out, and Steve King and I would be delighted to have you on board as a JV partner.